Assalamualaikum. Today we'll talk about Masjid Ghamama. Most of you people know it with this name, but it has a name as Masjid Musalla as well. So let's begin. Actually, there are 4 other masjids around with names of Masjid Abu Bakr Siddiq, Masjid Umar Farooq, Masjid Ali, and Masjid Usman Ghani. And these were the houses of Prophet companions where masjids were made by Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, the pious leader, and followed them with the names of caliphs. So when in second Hijrah, the Ramadan was made obligatory, Muslims started praying Eid. So in the first 4 years, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ used to pray in those houses which had big courtyards. But in fifth year, they started praying in this Masjid Ghamama and then kept praying in this masjid for the rest of his life. And even caliphs also continued praying Eid prayer in this masjid. Now we see the next fact. Once there was no rain for a long time in Medina, so at that time, companions requested Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to pray for rain. So Prophet Muhammad ﷺ prayed here for the rain, and at that same time, cloud came above Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and started raining as soon as they completed prayer. Then there comes the third event when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ prayed funeral for King of Habsha, as he was a kind man and gave protection to Muslims at the time of first migration. So these are the 3 events associated to this masjid. Thank you.